Today we're just having a very quick look at the innards of the Sega Mega-CD. This particular model is a Japanese version, which I believe may have been launch day material. As you can see here, we've got the riser board, much like the VA0 Mega Drive, where they just try and fix up those little mistakes that they made. In this unit, you can see we've got a bit of corrosion hanging about. Thankfully, it doesn't seem to be too bad. I've had this unit now for about 4 years, and I've been meaning to recap it ever since I got it. The good news is the capacitors don't look to have gotten any worse, which I guess is good. Over here though, we're missing the EEPROM, which should be in that socket. I'm not sure what I did with it. It's probably around somewhere. Probably EPR-1 something 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 something. But that's all right. That's all right. So the date codes on the chips look to be mid to late 91. I think this was released, it would have been, I think it was October 91. So that's good. So that's one of the boards anyway. Under here we have the CD drive. This one has a problem where it, well, it's a bit too free. So I've got a donor mechanism. At the back here we've got the sort of the audio board with power in, subboard, as they call it, and heaps of capacitors to do. Oh, there's a hidden one. So that'll be a little fun project. I've also got another launch Mega Drive coming in the mail. So I'll be doing 2 of those capacitor wires. One of them I'll probably pimp out with a whole bunch of cool things. Socketed everything for starters. CPU overclock. Is that even possible on the VA0s? Those Signetic chips? Obviously, I wouldn't use the Signetics chip to do the overclock because they're terrible chips, apparently. Well, not terrible. They rate them at 8 megahertz, and they're only good for 8 megahertz. Whereas if you can squeeze a 10 out of it, it makes some games a little more bearable. But there you have it. That's the sort of the insides. Thanks for watching. See you in a later video. McRetro out.